Mommy. I eat it. I can eat it. Sorry. I'm tasty.
You can't eat what?
I don't know. I'm not bugging it. You dump it?
No, I'm not going to dump it.
You dump it last time right now.
No.
But I don't eat it.
But you should try it.
But I don't.
You should try one bite.
I don't. What can you want? Gross, I eat it.
What do you mean broccoli's gross? It's not gross. It's delicious. It's full of vitamins. It'll give you big muscles.
Muscles?
Yeah. Gonna give you a hairy chest. Don't you want hair on your chest?
Yeah.
Okay, you want big muscles?
Yeah.
Okay, you gotta eat broccoli then.
I got it! Got it!
Okay, let's see you try your broccoli. Come on.
Okay.
I'll just get more.
I heard you.
Okay, and go. Okay, take the crackers away. Come on. Come on, you want to get ready for bed, right? Okay, let's go. Come on. One bite. One. One bite, and then you get your Dora candies. Come on, see, they're right here.
Turn. Pokey.
Come on.
Pokey.
Open. 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 Open your mouth. Open. Ah. Ah.